Oh my goodness, would you look at this? Okay, we are super excited. Over the next 24 hours, we are going to show you this hotel that we got tonight totally for free using our points, the Pike Place Market, the best chowder in Seattle, and so much more. But first, let's check in. This is the Palladian. An IHG property that we booked as our annual free night reward with our IHG credit card. Check out the comments for our link to learn more about this awesome offer. It has a super funky, fun vibe. They even provide gum for the infamous gum wall. I got a cute bath bomb at check-in, so spoiler alert, apparently we have a bathtub. I got a little dizzy. It's huge! We have a huge bed. Oh, it smells good. It smells nice. Coffee maker with our freshness espresso pods. My favorite. We love these. I will take off my bag. It's kind of heavy. Yeah. That's kind of creepy. All right. Cute armoire. We're only here one night, so I highly doubt. Oh, yeah. We got robes. I was gonna bring my robe, and then I decided not to, so I can't. I'm so excited to have it. Then, this is for tourists. Locals would never use an umbrella in Seattle, but if we go to Chowder, which I think we will, and it's raining, this is nice. Oh, we have fancy waters. I think we found out this is like the most expensive brand of water. They're from Italy. And this is our refrigerator. Oh yeah. Very nice. We plan to have a great time, relax, eat some yummy food. There's a yoga mat. I don't know that we'll be doing any exercising, but it's here if we wanted. Do they offer yoga? Because it even has a bag. That's cute. All right, and then fancy ice. Oh, a tray. Oh, did we bring wine?
Yeah, no.
And then, super cute. It's like a little easel stand for the TV. Dun-dun-dun. Luggage rack, which we don't need because all we have are backpacks. And I love the whales on the books too. Super cute. We get to be here for 24 full hours. Can't wait. All right, time for the bathroom. Where's my bubble bath? Okay, so I had to get my bath bomb before we go into the bathroom because there's gonna be a tub. Clawfoot tub!
We happy? Yeah, we happy.
I love Clawfoot. This is huge. This is almost as big as our room. This is crazy. Okay. Where to start? Super huge bathroom. His and her sinks with these awesome brass fixtures. It's like we're on a boat. That's cool. Everything feels cool. It's so echoey in here, but here's the bathtub. I have my shoes on still. This is gonna be great. I can't wait.
This is a bathroom.
Yeah, it's literally the size of the hotel. And we have a shower with oolong tea shampoo, eucalyptus, lemon, white flower. Whoa. Fancy. Geranium, basil. Look at these ingredients. I can't wait. So let's get out of the bathroom because it's super echoey. Solid wood relationship saving door for the toilet. Fantastic. Okay. All right, and we have a city view. We're up in the city. The water is that way. I love it. Oh, you can see over there, they have a cool rooftop. We're on the 9th floor. A water view. A peekaboo water view. That's great.
There it is. We could just move this building out of the way, that'd be great.
But for now, we are super hungry, so we're gonna grab a bite. We're not sure if we're gonna get something here in the hotel, get some Uber Eats. We don't know, we'll see what happens. let's go find a bite. Good morning. So unfortunately, starting yesterday afternoon, I started to not feel well. When you're 40 and you're partying pizza and wings in bed, oh yeah, Wednesday night, wing night.
With Mr. Tom Selleck.
Sometimes when we have plans, grand plans with fancy hotels and clawfoot bathtubs and all these things, we waited all year to redeem our free reward night for this awesome room and a fantastic day exploring downtown Seattle. Things just don't always work out. And today is one of those days. I just didn't feel well last night. Excuse me, I got up this morning around 4 a.m. Tummy ache and lots of different things. Anyway, it's not going to be a good day to vlog. So unfortunately, we're going to have to put a pin in it. Glad we did show you our hotel room and this hotel. And as soon as we feel better, we will come back down to Seattle and show you all of the awesome things in this city. All right, see you then. We relaxed in our room until it was time to get ready, check out, and get on the road. This soap smells so good. I love this cute little guy. We spent the next several weeks just north of Seattle on beautiful Camano Island. A quiet escape surrounded by forests and Puget Sound views in every direction. Our days included yard work, boating on the beautiful Saratoga Pass, visiting Deception Pass, and even all the way up to LaConner. Other days on the water were spent fishing for flounder or lingcod.
Turn it over.
I can feel it get heavy again.
Yeah, he tried to go down.
Pull up and reel down. You can do it right-handed if you turn around, babe.
No, I like this way.
Okay.
My right hand got tired.
Oh, is that like God?
We can't keep it.
It's too short.
Oh, it's too short.
No, it's not that. It's not the right kind.
Oh.
Oh
Hey,
my.
hurry up.
Okay, we gotta get it back down, Mom. And our absolute favorite annual tradition of crabbing for Dungeness.
It's I would say it's a keeper.
Yep, for sure. Yep.
Yep, keeper.
3. Too small. I thought you were a female earlier. You're going back in. You're going to the water. Oh, they're fighting. Oh no. These are some monsters. We went out and got 10 crab, 5 per person. They're huge. These are monsters in here. Look at this guy. He's feisty. We got a bucket of crab. Oh, don't rip his leg off. We love crab. We're gonna cook them in salt water and then eat them. Thank you, crabbies. Opening day crab season 2025. The sunsets on Camano are breathtaking. Some evenings we'd walk down to the rocky beach and enjoy the sunset. Just at Camano, enjoying the sunset at the beach. One of the highlights was being part of the local neighborhood's parade. Probably the smallest parade we've ever seen, but that's part of the charm. Even with all that fun, there were some things we didn't get to do this time. We missed heading back down to Seattle to wander through the buzzing stalls of Pike Place Market. our stop in the stunning Chihuly Garden and Glass Museum, we also had plans to take a boat tour of the Sound, to see Seattle from the water, the passing ferries, cargo ships, and maybe even catching a glimpse of orcas or harbor seals along the way. And of course, we wanted to share more of our favorite Seattle foods with you. Delicious bowls of chowder, fresh seafood, and Seattle's city coffee culture that is second to none. So while Camano Island gave us a peaceful, small town escape, Seattle still has plenty waiting for us to share with you. Next time we're back, we'll make a priority to dive deeper into those iconic experiences that keep us coming back to Seattle. Be sure to subscribe and follow our journey, because you never know. Next time, we might catch a space-available flight to Asia, or we might just find ourselves happily stuck in Seattle a little bit longer. Either way, the adventures continue. Thanks for watching.